Beef rendang is a traditional dish from Minangkabau, West Sumatra, Indonesia. Historically served during festive occasions and ceremonies, this dry curry is known for its rich and aromatic flavors. Made with beef slow-cooked in coconut milk and a blend of spices, rendang is a symbol of patience and dedication in cooking, as it requires hours to perfect. Its popularity has spread across Southeast Asia, and it is often regarded as one of the most delicious dishes in the world. For the rendang, you will need 2 pounds beef, chuck or brisket, cut into large cubes, 2 cups coconut milk, fresh or canned, 2 cups water, 3 tablespoons cooking oil, 2 tablespoons tamarind paste or juice from 1 lime, 2 stalks lemongrass, bruised, 4 kaffir lime leaves, 2 bay leaves and 1 cinnamon stick. For the spice paste, 6 shallots, 4 garlic cloves, 4 dried red chilies soaked in hot water, a 2-inch piece of ginger, a 2-inch piece of galangal, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon ground coriander, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, and 1 teaspoon salt. Tools and materials: blender or food processor, large wok or Dutch oven, wooden spoon, knife, and a cutting board. Blend shallots, garlic, soaked chilies, ginger, galangal, turmeric powder, ground coriander, ground cumin, and salt into a smooth paste. Add a bit of water if needed. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large wok or Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Add the beef cubes and sear until browned on all sides. Remove and set aside. In the same wok, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Sauté the spice paste until fragrant, about 5 minutes. Add the seared beef, coconut milk, water, lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, bay leaves, and cinnamon stick to the wok. Stir well. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low. Let it simmer uncovered for 2 to 3 hours, stirring occasionally to prevent burning. As the liquid reduces, the oil will separate and the sauce will thicken. Continue to stir frequently until the beef is tender and coated with the reduced sauce. Stir in tamarind paste and adjust seasoning with salt if needed. Serve hot with steamed rice. Use fresh coconut milk for the best flavor. Stir frequently during the final stage of cooking to prevent the sauce from burning. For a spicier version, increase the number of dried chilies. The recipe and procedure are in the description section. Have a nice day.